exceedingly well this year. We are the toast of the town. Some are surprised, some are astonished, some are even jealous that why India is doing so well. But if macro concerns get receded in next 3 months, 6 months, could the reverse happen, which is world comes back and India starts underperforming?
India will not underperform, Kunj. You know, अभी तो पूरा हम
पार्टी चालू हुई है.
अभी पार्टी चालू हुई है. मैं भी लंदन गया था ना, तो मैंने एक रिसर्च किया कि वर्ल्ड के जो 25 शाने हैं ना, the biggest investors in the world, one thing common, not one of them had $1 in India.
Was it?
Relevant.
Yeah, okay, of course.
Relevant, right? When I say $1, अगर किसी का 100 बिलियन का पोर्टफोलियो, उसका 25-50 million डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली होगा, that is different. But there is no significant investment of the top 25 people. Forget the top guy. तो अपने पीछे तो अभी कितने लोगों को आना बाकी है बस.
And then domestic flow is strong.
Domestic flow is always there. Is always. I don't think India, tactically, for 3 months, can there be underperformance if oil is really going up? 3-6 months, it is possible. But if you are an investor, you actually don't care about the 3-6 months underperformance. Actually, you are looking for that underperformance so that you can buy the stocks which you want, right? So, but if we take a 3, 5, 10 year view, I don't think there is any bearish case you can make about India.
The consensus view with just about every brokerage is India is great, but valuations are expensive, and that, in a sense, is something which everybody is talking about.
To my mind, it is a big misnomer. Let me speak. This is the biggest point. This is actually a big myth that India valuations are very expensive, because there is a mere certainty of earning in India. Like you can take a case that ICICI Bank will grow at 15% or 25%.
Yeah. Growth to hai.
But growth to hai pakka, right? Can you make that same case with HSBC Bank in the world? Can you make the same case with CSFB in the world? Can you make the same case with Barclays Bank in the world? You can't.
Yeah.
You don't know where the provision will hit, where the bond yield will hit, but you can make a certain case for largest bank in the country that whether you grow 15% or 25%, your growth will be there. So as an investor, if I'm willing to take a 3-year view, then markets are not expensive, adjusted for this growth. But if I want to take a 12-month view, obviously things look expensive. To which investor who's coming from out of India, whether it is a pension fund or whether a large FI, wants to take a 12-month view on India? They just want to buy, with a 3-5 year perspective, right? So actually this is a very big myth that Indian valuations are expensive. देखो जब जर्मनी में कितना सारा कंपनी, हमको यही नहीं पता है कि 6 महीने बाद ये चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा, और ये अगर गैस प्राइस रह गया यहाँ पे या ये कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रह गया, how do you value these companies? So in absolute terms they may look very cheap, but we don't know the earning only. So how do I derive a PE? And I can tell you about at least 200 companies in India. I just mentioned one, ICICI Bank, where you have a more or less certainty that earnings will grow. You can debate the percentage.
Yes. So true.
Right? So if I'm a 3-5 year investor, I don't think markets are expensive. And the other thing is the quality of balance sheet India has.
Crisis बोल करके नहीं आता है. And today everybody is talking about a crisis, recession, depression. So do you think we'll get surprised? Everybody is suddenly an expert on US inflation, US bond yield, Dow and S&P, and nobody is talking about what's happening here.
I feel, in terms of time, the pain may be there for markets. I don't know, in the economy, the pain may be there for a long time. But the pain in the market, I don't think will last more than 3-4 months, because see, we are in a digital era. Everything gets discounted so fast. Whatever you are worried about, we want to build in the prices, whether in the upside or on the downside. So whether it is inflation, whether it is recession, whether it is geopolitical situation, whether it is strengthening of dollar index, what have we not discussed? For last 3 months we have been discussing these things only.
Whatever would go, जो खराब हो सकता है,
जो खराब हो सकता है, सब discussion तो चालू है ना, कहीं पे तो भाव में भी दिख रहा है ना. The fact that so many Nasdaq listed companies, which are good companies, they are down 70-80% from the peak. So somewhere it is also reflected in the prices. तो एक क्राइम करने के लिए कितनी बार मार सकते हैं ना कोई चीज को, तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो जो भी होना है ये 2-3-4 महीने के अंदर हो जाएगा।
तो हमारे मैनेजिंग एडिटर निकुंज टाल में मधु केला से बातचीत करते हैं और आप पूरा लेवल अब आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि ये कुछ ऐसी बातें हैं जो कि आपके ट्रेडिंग, आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को लेकर और आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन को लेकर बिल्कुल आपको अपग्रेड कर देगी।